So topic is nucleic acid in biophysics. Most important classes of biopolymers are responsible for protein biosynthesis, especially for those assembly of their primary structures. Primary structures means linear structures. These macromolecules, macro means large, are built from nucleotides which are composed of sugar, a phosphate group and a nitrogenous base. The sequence of these are 4 alphabet. These are macromolecules and are built from nucleotides which are composed or which are made up of sugar, ribose in RNA, a phosphate group and also a nitrogenous base. In DNA, the nitrogenous bases are adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine, while RNA contains uracil instead of thymine. The backbone of nucleic acid is formed by alternating sugar and phosphate units. Then is DNA's nucleotide composition follows Chargaff's rules, where the amount of T, that is thymine, is equal to guanine is equal to cytosine, and in RNA these rules do not apply. So according to this rule, thymine is equal to guanine is equal to cytosine, but in only DNA, not in RNA. It does not apply to RNA. Then is nucleic acids are central to genetic material, with DNA serving as the genetic blueprint stored in chromosomes and in mitochondria. RNA plays important role in synthesis of proteins. 4 main types of RNA exist: mRNA, that is messenger RNA, tRNA, that is transfer RNA, snRNA, that is small nucleic RNA and has different functions. These all 4 types are having different types of functions. Then is the 4 type of RNA mentioned in high molecular weight RNA, which is associated with viral particles like viruses. Now adenylates. Adenylates are molecules that plays a crucial role in providing and regulating energy in cells. One of the most important adenylate is ATP, which stores and transfers energy from various cell functions like making proteins, moving substances across membranes, and performing the vital tasks. When the ATP breaks down into ADP and phosphate, it releases energy that cell uses. Cyclic AMP is another adenylate that regulates enzymes and hormones in the cell. Now the topic is chirality of biomolecules. It means the molecules that are non-superimposable mirror image, that is left and right hands. A molecule is chiral if it has carbon atom bounded to 4 different groups. These molecules exist in 2 forms, left-handed and right-handed. Left-handed is denoted by L and right-handed is denoted by D. Known as enantiomers, a mixture with equal amount of both forms is called racemic mixture. Chirality is important in biology like in amino acids. First is left-handed amino acid, which is also known as L-amino acid. Organisms use only left-handed amino acids in proteins. Light interaction, chiral molecules rotate polarized light differently. They react the same with non-chiral substances. Naming D and L. Designations relate to the glyceride, aldehyde not to light rotation, D configuration. Carbohydrates in DNA and RNA are always in the D configuration. Metabolism, cells use only L amino acids. D amino acids cannot be processed. Different effects. Chiral forms can have very different effects. Example, L-aspartic acid is tasteless. Origin. The reason for chirality in life are still studied, with some theories suggesting random fluctuations favored one type over the other. Now the topic is carbohydrates and lipids. These are organic. Carbohydrates are organic compounds made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and they serve as a major energy source for living organisms. Monosaccharides, types of carbohydrates. These are the simplest form of carbs, example glucose, which are crucial for energy metabolism in both plants and animals. Then is disaccharides. Di means two, formed by combination of two monosaccharides, that is sucrose. That is polysaccharide, third one. Poly means many. Larger carbohydrates molecule made up of many monosaccharides like starch, cellulose, glycogen is known as polysaccharide. Then the last topic is lipids. Lipids are fatty substances that are important for building cellular structures and storing energy. Now types. First is triglycerides, the main type of fat in food composed of glycerol and three fatty acids chain essential for energy storage. Then is phospholipids. These form the structural basis of cell membranes consisting of hydrophilic, that is head, and hydrophobic, that is tail. The presence of unsaturated fatty acids with double bond is crucial for membrane fluidity. Biological importance. Lipids are vital for integrity and functionality of cellular membranes. So these points tell us the functional and structural molecules in carbohydrates and in lipids.